This is how you deal with Sandstorm wannabes. These people want to use Mordex, Mirage, Tezca, and anybody else that Sandstorm uses. So, what you gotta do is act like Boomy and absolutely combo the heck out of them until they quit. So, you want them to disconnect. Of course, this would be the easiest way to get rid of them. And also, if they want to be an insane Mordex user and use gauntlets only, well, then you're fine. At least it's not Scythe and they're comping you off into oblivion. So, yeah, use Vector if you want to destroy him. Because use 3-0'd him in a tournament. How do you get 3-0'd by Vector?